Hi everyone, welcome to Kids Activity Zone. Today we are going to draw and color Kawaii cactus which looks very cute. So let's start drawing it. Here I am starting to draw the eyes first. So between two eyes there is a space of one eye. So this is what I am trying to measure it approximately. So here it is, two circles. After drawing the eyes, now we will try to draw the rim of the pot. So here I am starting from left side, it is little below the eye, and from the right side we will pull it, we will actually stretch it more on the righter side of the eye, and this is how it is. Then below this is a V shape, little V shape, so I'm just trying to place from where it will come below, and then I will be drawing the lines to join it. Now I'm trying to place the bow which will be little above the left eye, and this is how I am placing the middle part of the bow. Now I will start completing the bow like this. Bow is complete now. Now I will start drawing the face from the left side first. So here it will go narrow on the below the eyes, and now on the right side like this, and and from the above, from the head side, this will join between the bow. Now small part of the cactus will come on the right side. This is how I'm drawing it. And above the right side part, there is something else also, which is a heart. It's actually a heart balloon. So this is how I'm trying to place this. Now comes the nose. So here I'm drawing the nose, and after this I will be completing the inside part of the cactus by drawing some lines and drawing some thorns on the cactus. If you're new to my channel and you are liking my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Now I am finishing it with lining it with a marker pen. Now starts the fun part. We are coloring it and I am using the brush pens to color this drawing. If you enjoyed this video, please do give a thumbs up to my video and you can share it with your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.